Assalamualaikum. Kacha babel.
Not bull, it's papad.
Babel. What? Again.
Oh my god. Kacha papad,
Bil.
pakka papad. And you have to say it like, fast.
Kacha babel. Pakka.
Ah, that's cute.
कच्चा पाकड़ पक्का पाकड़ कच्चा पाकड़ पक्का पाकड़
Katja popper, pako copper. Okay.
He's quite
Katja
good.
popper, poko copper.
Better than my Vietnamese friend. So again, like we're gonna do that. Kacha papad, pakka papad.
Pache copper, poko pop.
पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पाचड़ पच्चा पाचड़ कच्चा पाचड़
खड़क सिंह के
खड़क सिंह के
खड़कने से
खड़कने से
खड़कती हैं
खड़कती है
खिड़कियां.
खिड़कियां.
So let's go. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
One more time, please. One more chance.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां.
खड़कने से खड़कसिए खड़किए.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने
Correctine, correctina, correctila. Can you repeat my Korean? I give you one sentence.
Okay,
Like,
so
just
you
repeat
मेरे साथ
my
अब
sentence.
मैं tongue
Okay,
twister
yeah.
खेलने लगा हूँ. Okay.
내가 그린 그림은 네가 그린 기린 그림보다 더 좋다.
내가 그린 그림이 네가 그린 그림보다 더 좋다.
Yeah, almost right.
Almost right. Yeah.
Hi guys. I hope someday I will go to Pakistan.
Yeah. You must go. And Pakistani people are very hospitable. You're gonna be like a model. Everyone's gonna be loving you so much, and
really?
taking picture with you a lot.
I'm coming.
Yeah. You're waiting. And what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
Cricket.
Debug, how do you know cricket, man?
My parents from the Caribbean, man, so...
Oh, man.
All know he can clear the boundary.
I have the two Pakistan friends, and what I remember, they are always late.
Anyways, yeah. Thanks a lot, Lee. Bye-bye.
Alaikum, alasakum,
Assalamu alaikum.
assalamu alaikum.
Good job.
Sally, she sells seashells by the seashore.
What?
You say that.
What?
She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells down by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashores.
Paka, parka, paka, puku.
So hi everyone, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरे साथ आज है मेरी बहुत ही प्यारी क्यूट सी जो है ना फ्रेंड है. मे नाम है फ्रॉम वियतनाम. सो मे would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, my name is May and I'm from Vietnam.
May, can you say like hi in my language?
Yeah.
Do you know it says Assalamu alaikum?
Assalamualaikum.
She's pretty good at it. She's pretty good at it. Devok. Awesome. So May, like I just wanted to ask, like, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
I have to be honest that it's just me, okay? It's just me that I don't know anything about your country.
Nothing.
No, it's just me because
Handsome guys? No.
oh yeah, that I know. A lot of Vietnamese people do know about your country. It's just me. I always just watch, like makeup videos. So I'm so sorry.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. Assalamu alaikum. तो आज है मेरे साथ ली है जो है ना साउथ कोरिया से हैं और he is again very handsome. The oppa, Korean oppa. So
Hi,
would you like to
I'm
introduce?
I'm working in Korea, but I study in Paris for my master, so I can speak French a little bit.
So Lee, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
I have the two Pakistan friends, and what I remember, they are always late in class. So I
Oh my God.
the prejudice, like Pakistan, always being late.
And unfortunately we had a meeting today. हम लोग की आज meeting थी और मैं भी late था.
Yeah,
So, I was also late.
that's it.
Hey everyone, तो अभी है मेरे साथ मेरी again बहुत ही प्यारी and बहुत ही beautiful friend Mira from Russia. So Mira, would you like to say hi to all the people?
Yeah. Hello. My name is Mira, and I'm student here living in South Korea.
Okay, Mira, like can you say hi in my language? Do you know how to say hi?
Yeah. Salam alaikum. And you're answering alaikum assalam.
Debug, how do you know that? Like also, how do you know that?
Because like I was born in Uzbekistan, that's why we are like have the same like
Greetings.
Yeah,
The
greeting.
greetings in
Yeah.
all the Muslim countries are same, right? So what's the first thing that comes to your mind about when you think about Pakistan?
about you.
Okay, if I was not here, imagine. Yeah.
So the first because like I'm like currently I'm studying international like relationship and international trade. That's why the first thing like thought that it's coming about like Pakistan. I think it's the war like between India and Pakistan. I think it was in the 40s.
Hi everyone, right now I'm with my very big young, my brother, all the way from States, Brandon. So Brandon,
Good. What's good?
so would you like to introduce yourself a little bit?
My name is Brandon. I'm an American person. I'm American, and I live in Seoul, South Korea, and I do modeling and acting out here.
Guys, he's a modeling. और आप लोग इसका channel है देखोगे. And what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
Cricket.
Debug, how do you know cricket, man?
My parents from the Caribbean, man. So
Oh man, Brandon, any Pakistani cricket player do you know? Now we're gonna. Yes.
I'm walking out. I don't know no players. I don't know no players.
Imran Khan, Wasim Akram. Any? What's your favorite cricket player?
I'm American, man.
That's good.
I can bowl though.
Cricket player, bowler. तो भाई मुझे बताना कि इसकी जरा इसकी bowling skills कैसी है मुझे लाज़मी Have you ever tried like Indian or Indian food?
Yeah. It's I really like the curry.
Curry, okay.
Yeah.
Like, so if you have tried curry, that's like Pakistani thing because Pakistani Indian curry is almost similar, and most of the restaurant you go is almost like Pakistani restaurants.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So how was the curry thing?
I like it. At first, it was like strong for me, but then the more I eat it, I'm addicted, man.
But anything about the food? Have you tried Pakistani food?
No, unfortunately. What about
Have Pakistani friends?
no,
This guy, no.
only you.
Have you tried Pakistani food?
Curry.
Curry also.
I like curry.
Met any Pakistani girl?
I want, but not yet.
Okay, so next thing, have you ever tried Pakistani food?
I've tried some. I've had curry before.
Curry.
So my grandma is technically 1/4
Indian.
Indian technically, but food a little similar. So I grew up on my curry and roti and stuff like that.
It says kacha papad pakka papad. Kacha papad pakka papad.
Again.
Kacha papad
Kacha papad.
pakka papad.
Kacha papad.
Not bull, it's papad.
Papad. What? Again.
Oh my god. Kacha papad
Papad.
pakka papad. And you have to say it like fast.
Kacha papad. Pakka.
That's cute. Kacha papad pakka papad. Kacha papad pakka papad.
How can you do that? Okay. Kacha papad. But I always forget
Kacha
that.
papad
Uh-huh.
pakka papad.
Pakka papad. Kacha papad.
Papad pakka papad. Yep.
Kacha papad. Pakka papad.
Okay, thanks a lot, man. Okay, so now we're gonna try the tongue twister with Meera. Okay, the tongue twister is खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियाँ.
One more time.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियाँ. खड़क सिंह के
Karaksinke.
खड़कने से
Karakneze.
खड़कती हैं
Karaktihe.
खिड़कियाँ.
Kirgian.
So let's go. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
One more time, please. One more chance.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियाँ.
I can't. It's really difficult. Karaksinke. Karaknese. Karaksinke. Karaknese.
खड़कती हैं
Karaktihe.
खिड़कियाँ.
Kirkian.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Karaknese. Karaksiye. Karakie. Kirdian.
Not
Okay.
bad, not bad. Not bad as my Vietnamese friend. No, just kidding. She was good also. Okay, any message for all the Pakistani people watching you right now?
Okay, hi guys. I hope someday I will go to Pakistan.
Yeah, you must go. And Pakistani people are very hospitable. You know, you're gonna be like a model. Everyone's gonna be loving you so much, and
Really?
taking picture with you a lot.
I'm coming.
Yeah, we are waiting.
Yeah, thank you guys.
खड़क सिंह के
Correct sinke.
खड़कने से
Correct se.
खड़कती हैं
Correct hai.
खिड़कियाँ.
Correct.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने.
Correct sine. Correct correctila.
But you can pronounce it. That's like most of the people I heard like in Korea or China, they cannot pronounce r. Khadak. Can you say khadak?
Correct.
Khadak.
Correct.
Khadak. Okay, yeah. So, like once one in one go. So khadak sing ke khadakne se.
Correct singe. Correct kine.
खड़कती हैं खिड़कियाँ.
Correct.
Oh yeah, that was cool. That was not that bad. Anyway, guys, yeah. Any message for all the Pakistani people? Maybe in Korea, Pakistani they love Korea so much, especially because of BTS and EXO. So any message in Korean, little bit like simple.
안녕하세요 여러분. 여러분이 이거를 이해할 수 있을지 모르겠는데 저는 지금 한국에 살고 있고 파키스탄 음식을 되게 좋아해요. 매운 거 잘 먹으니까 그런 거 매운 음식 있으면은 좀 저한테 같이 소개해주고 같이 맛있는 음식 많이 먹었으면 좋겠습니다.
좋습니다. And at the end, like 안녕 in Korean. Bye bye.
Can you repeat my Korean? I give you one sentence.
Okay.
Like,
so
just repeat
मेरे साथ
my
अब
sentence.
मैं
Okay,
कंप्यूटर खेलने
yeah.
लगा हूँ. Okay.
내가 그린 그림은 네가 그린 기린 그림보다 더 좋다.
내가 그린 그림보다 더 좋다.
야.
내가 그린 그림이 네가 그린 그림보다 더 좋다.
Yeah, almost right.
Almost right. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Thanks a lot, Lee. Bye bye.
알라이쿰 알라사쿰?
Assalamu
아살라무 알라이쿰.
Good job.
Katsu popper pako copper. Okay.
He's quite
Katsu
good.
popper poko copper.
Better than my Vietnamese friend. So again, like we're gonna do that. Kacha papad, pakka papad.
Patrick copper poko pop. You know Sally seashells by the seashore.
What?
You say that.
What?
Seashells by the seashore.
She sells.
No.
Wait. She sells
seashells down by the seashore.
down by the seashores.
She sells seashells down by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashores.
Paka parka paka puku.
Good try.
I did my best.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Anyways, like, would you ever like to come to Pakistan if
Yeah,
you
why
there's
not,
opportunity?
man? Why not? I like to travel. I got some good food.
Yeah.
Some beautiful women over there, probably. Let's do it.
Indeed.
Beautiful women, beautiful people everywhere.
Everywhere.
This beautiful guy right here. Look at that face.
Thanks a lot, Brandon. Thank you guys.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Peace out.
बाय। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। तो यार कमेंट में लाजमी बताओ कि आप लोगों को वीडियो कैसी लगी, और अच्छी लगी हो तो लाजमी शेयर करो, दूसरों लोगों के साथ फैला दो इस वीडियो को, ताकि पाकिस्तानियों को भी पता लगे कि यार जो फॉरेनर्स है ना वो पाकिस्तानियों के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, और जो ये टंग ट्विस्टर है वो कैसे बोलते हैं। तो लाजमी कमेंट में बताओ मुझे कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर मैं फॉरेनर्स से जो है ना, जो गैर मुल्की हैं, उनसे किस किस तरह के सवाल पूछूं। तो चलो शुरू हो जाओ, कमेंट करो, वीडियो को शेयर करो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, और चैनल भाई का जो है ना वो लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करो। सब्सक्राइब एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय।